it's finally the morning, and I'm gonna go check what time it is. Oh wait, okay, gotta go get my phone. Okay, here's my phone. Okay, let me see. Whoa, it's AM? I think it's morning. I don't know. It is Wednesday, so. Whoa, what happened to my hair? I guess I'm gonna go wash my hair. Oh, gonna go wash my hair downstairs cause I don't have. Oh wait, no. It's maybe I'm just gonna wash it over here. Okay, gonna go get my eyes open. Get my eyes open.
Okay, we're gonna make party.
Okay, there we go. Now I'm gonna go.
Party.
Gonna go get the brush. Is there a brush in here? Okay, I'm gonna go see if there's any brushes in here. Okay, there it is.
No.
There we go. I'm gonna brush my hair good.
No.
Now I'm gonna go tie my hair
Let's go.
into I don't know that, and I'm gonna go use my hair like yeah, I'm gonna do it like that. I'm gonna put it there, and now I'm gonna go put my my hat on. What hat should I use today? What hat? Oh, I like this one. It's very nice. Now I'm gonna go change clothes because I love changing clothes. I'm gonna use this one because I haven't used this for a long time. Go get my shorts. Okay, I'm gonna wash my hands.
Thank you, bestie.
Okay, I'm done washing my hands. Gonna go cook breakfast. Go cook breakfast. What breakfast should I make today? I'll go get some coffee and some sandwich. Yeah, I like sandwich. And I'm gonna go sit over here because I like sitting over here. I'm gonna go get my coffee. Yum. And then finish. And now for my sandwich. There we go. Now I'm just gonna go get my vacuum so that I can clean the house nice and clean. Okay. Whew. There we go. Okay. I'm gonna go and lock the house.
This is
Lock the house.
my job.
I'm gonna go get my car. Get my car. She's gonna go get my
Hey
car.
guys, thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe,
Oh,
like this video.
there we go.
Okay, this is Menu and Jenny. Okay, Jenny, goodbye.
Okay, I'm gonna go grocery.
Just like this video and subscribe to me and like, share. Bye.
Okay, I'm gonna go to the grocery. Okay, put it there. Okay, go get the shopping cart. And am I gonna go get some ice cream? There we go. Put that there. And some snacks, some chips, and go get some. I'm gonna go get some healthy foods first because I don't like it actually. And go get that. Okay, go get some nice bakery. It is healthy. Milk.
First
There we
channel.
go. And go put it there. And there we go. And I'm gonna go register this. I'm gonna go get my money. Get my money. Okay, here's my money. Okay. There we go. Here's the money. Okay, go get that. Okay, I'm done grocery. I'm gonna put this at the fridge back home. Go here. Oh, not in the passenger seat. Okay, go back home. Okay, I'm driving safely. I'm very good at driving though. Okay. Okay, let me open my garage. Open my garage. There we go. Put my car inside. Okay, guys. Close the garage. Okay. Gonna put this at the fridge. Okay. There we go. Close that. And then I'm gonna go. Oh. Where's the military outside? I don't care. I'm gonna go out here maybe. There's nothing to do, so what should I do? Oh wait, I'm gonna go pack my stuff. Pack my stuff. Okay. I'm gonna pack my stuff. Go pack my stuff. Okay, not like that. Not like that. Okay. Go get my bag. My luggage. Where's my luggage? Okay, here's my luggage. Okay, I don't need that actually. I think I need this so that I can get in that plane. I'm gonna go to. Oh my God. How did you get in? How did you get in? Kid, how do you get in? How do you get in? Okay, I'm gonna ban you. Goodbye, kid. Sorry about that, kid. But now I'm gonna go to my garage. Put that.
Hi guys.
Okay.
Guys, it's
Click that. Okay, I'm gonna put that. Oh. Okay, there's my car. There's my car. Okay. Easy. Okay, I'm gonna go close the garage. Okay, there we go. I got my bag too. I'm ready to leave. Ready to leave this city. Okay. Okay, sorry about that, guys. I stopped. There was something in my nose. Sorry. Okay, gonna go to the airport. Gonna go to the airport. Oop. Okay, I think I'm gonna go to Florida, I think. Okay. That there. There we go. I gotta go over here. Okay. La 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 la. Okay. Just gotta see over here. Oh, I guess I'm too tired to sleep. So I'm gonna take a nap. Whoa! Ouch, I fell out. But it's fine. I think we're here at Florida. I think we already arrived at Florida, so let's go. But first, before I go out, I'm gonna go take the bathroom because I've been holding this for too long, so I'm gonna put it like that. Okay, time to wash my hands. Okay, time. Gonna go out now. Okay, got my bag. Savage love. Kiss somebody, break your heart. La 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 la. Also, guys, it reminds me. Thank you guys so much for watching this video of me going to Florida here at the airport of Brookhaven. And thank you guys so much for watching this video of me here. And also make sure to like and subscribe, share, comment. And also make sure to subscribe and like to my cousin's channel. So yeah.